What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. This time we are with the GMC Sierra. We are going to replace the fan motors because one of them went out on mine. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna run you guys through the process of doing it. Pretty simple. All you're gonna need is 13 mil and this little tree prying tool, just to get the little Christmas trees off. You guys, I'll run you guys through all that, but it's pretty simple. I actually, on this truck is 04, so I adapted the 05 through 07 classic electric fans on here. So it's pretty simple process. See, as you guys can see, I eliminated that fan with the clutch. Just did some wiring to the ECU and with the fans, and the tuner actually has to turn it on for you. So I'm gonna start prying everything off from here. It'll be this, pry this off, pry that off, disconnect this because I'm taking the whole thing off. Make sure these little purple things do not come off because they usually tend to come off. Just press that tab, comes off. I didn't even need to get that. Okay, I guess I do need this little pry tool. So just pry all these off. All right, that's off. Take this one off of here. All right, and then this one's off, and then you got your 13 mils right here, and right here. So pretty simple process. I didn't bring my electric tool from work, so electric ratchets, I'm gonna have to do it manually. Not that bad. And then these fans are just gonna slide right out. That's why I need to swap it out, because it is getting hot. See how easy this slides off? So as you guys can see, I had already changed it. Why it went out, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. The way you remove this, just push this out, that comes off. Get a hammer and just kind of tap it, it'll come off. See how easy that is. Comes off. This wiggles out. All right, after you remove that, the actual fan plastic piece, then you remove these 3 bolts, which are 10 mils, which I already removed, and the motor comes right out. So that's simple as that. Let's go ahead and install the new one. All right, guys, here is the actual part number. I'm gonna save you guys the trouble. Part number is 15-80551, and that's a GM genuine part. That's the motor right there. All right, here it is. We're about to install a new one. Comes with the new little locking washer for the actual fan itself. So let's go ahead and put it on. And there's only one way you can actually install it. See, there's the orientation right there. Pretty simple. It's nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten them because then it's just threaded onto plastic. So that's it right there. Let's go ahead and install the fan. Alright, here's the fun part, lining this up. See, I'm gonna line it up right there with the little green dot. See, got the little green dot right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a green dot under there. Then you got the other green dot over here. See right there. So I'm gonna line it up here with this right here. There it goes. And just put the washer in. Use a little hammer just to push it in. There it goes. Alright, let's install it back on. Make sure you don't break anything on the radiator itself. There's little hoses and stuff. So kind of got it in, and there it goes. It sits down at the bottom on a lip, and then just put your screws on. And secure all your hoses. Which this one goes here. This one over here goes here. That, and make sure you make your connections down here at the bottom. Alright, there it goes. Make sure it clicks. And there it is. And that's how you replace the fan motor. Alright, see, there you go. Make your connections here. Alright, connections there. Secure the little Christmas tree and a little Christmas tree up here. So that's it. I hope this helped out, guys, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and any questions, yeah, feel free to comment right below. So I'll answer any questions you guys have, or anything, whatever you guys have I can help with. I'd be more than happy to. So hope this helps out. Catch you guys on the next one.